Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the eMeals app is and how it's positioned. eMeals is a food and drink app that focuses on weekly meal planning and automated grocery list creation, designed to simplify home cooking and reduce the effort of planning meals, according to its official App Store description. The app provides users with new weekly meal plans that typically include multiple recipes, along with an automatically generated shopping list based on selected meals. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Users can choose from different meal plan styles, including options like low-carb, keto, paleo, Mediterranean, and family-friendly plans, as described by the developer. The app may help streamline grocery shopping by linking generated shopping lists to online grocery services such as Walmart, Amazon, and Instacart for pickup or delivery. For users who prefer in-store shopping, the app could organize ingredients by category to make navigation through a grocery store more efficient. eMeals also includes nutritional information for recipes and may support diet-focused planning by helping track calories, carbs, and other dietary factors, based on official site details. This app may be useful for people who want structured weekly meal planning without having to manually search for recipes or build grocery lists from scratch. For users interested in saving time on meal decisions and grocery organization, this could be an option depending on how well the provided plans match personal preferences. Access to full features requires a paid subscription after a trial period, which is confirmed through the app's official listing. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.